You've probably noticed that when you enter data into a cell in Microsoft Excel, that once you press the Enter key, the cursor moves to another cell. But did you know that you can actually change that behavior? And did you know that you can actually have Excel return the cursor to the leftmost cell when you're entering a lot of data? First, the default direction the cursor moves when you press Enter is a direction you can actually change. Simply go to the File tab, then click Options, and under Advanced, use the drop-down under After pressing Enter, Move Selection to choose down, right, up, or left. Click OK to save your changes. Once you've changed your cursor direction on Enter, you're ready to enter some data. But did you know that you can also make the cursor return to the beginning of your data entry range? Watch this. I'm going to select a few cells across several columns and rows and enter some data. The cell that is still white is my active cell, so if I start typing, the data goes in that cell. I've got my cursor direction set to right, so when I press Enter, my cursor goes to the right. But notice what happens when I reach the right border of the cell selection I did previously. When I press Enter, the cursor returns to the leftmost cell in that selection. This is a great trick for making data entry faster and easier, and I learned it in an Excel course I've been taking. Details and an affiliate link are in the description below.